Hey everyone, I'm John, your host here at the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations. On this channel, we explore everything about steam showers and saunas, from honest product reviews and brand comparisons to expert tips on choosing the right setup for your home spa. Whether you're a homeowner, designer, or contractor, you'll find straightforward insights to help you make the smartest decision for your wellness space. Let's dive in. If you're planning to turn your bathroom into a luxury spa retreat, you're probably looking into steam shower generators. And let's be honest, this isn't a $100 impulse buy. You want to get it right. With so many brands out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, I've got you. In this video, we're going to break down the top 6 steam shower generator brands for 2025, based on performance, reliability, smart features, and real-world user feedback. We'll walk through what makes each brand great, who it's best suited for, and what you should watch out for before making your investment. Let's get started. At number 6, we have SteamSpa, a brand that's often the first stop for homeowners who want to test the waters of steam showers without draining their wallets. SteamSpa offers complete kits: steam generator, control panel, steam head, auto drain, all in one package, which is super convenient if you're trying to avoid piecing things together. Now let's talk about the pros. First, SteamSpa is incredibly affordable compared to most other brands. It also gives you access to features like aromatherapy and LED-lit steam heads that are typically found in more expensive models. Plus, everything usually ships quickly and is easy to find online. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The build quality isn't on the same level as high-end brands, and some customers have noted that installation instructions can be a bit vague. Long-term durability can also vary depending on how heavily you use the system. So, SteamSpa is a great starting point, especially if you're budget conscious and want to experience steam therapy at home without going all in just yet. Next up at number 5 is Amerec, a brand that doesn't try to dazzle you with flashy marketing, because its performance speaks for itself. Amerec's AK series generators are built for people who want reliability over hype. The unit heats up quickly, operates efficiently, and provides clean, consistent steam. Here's what makes Amerec shine. First off, it's known for rock-solid reliability. These units last for years with minimal issues. They also use adaptive steam technology to maintain a steady temperature without those sudden hot bursts. And installation is pretty straightforward, even for first-timers. That said, there are a couple of downsides. The interface feels a little outdated. You're not going to find smart app controls or voice activation here. And while it performs beautifully, the lack of luxury features might be a deal breaker for some buyers. If you're someone who values function over flash and wants a generator that just works year after year, Amerec is a solid bet. Coming in at number 4 is Steamist, a brand now operating under the Delta Faucet company, a name many homeowners already know and trust. Steamist has long been known for blending spa-inspired comfort with practical performance. And with Delta now backing the brand, we can expect even stronger distribution, support, and long-term innovation. Their TSG series steam generators are designed for quiet, consistent operation, and pair beautifully with wellness upgrades like aromatherapy pumps, chromotherapy lighting, and in-shower audio systems. Now let's talk about why people love Steamist. First, the steam sessions are incredibly quiet and relaxing. The Total Sense system allows you to customize nearly every element of your experience, from the scent and lighting to the sounds. Their control panels are also intuitive, sleek, and easy to use. But there are a few limitations. Steamist generators can take a little longer to reach full steam compared to faster brands like Kohler. Some of the best features, like aroma and lighting kits, are sold separately. And while the warranty is decent, it isn't quite as robust as ThermaSol or Mr. Steam. Still, with the backing of Delta and a strong reputation in wellness, Steamist remains an excellent mid-premium choice for homeowners looking to build a fully immersive steam shower. At number 3, we have Kohler, a household name that has made a big splash in the steam world with their Invigoration series. Kohler steam generators are all about efficiency, elegance, and smart home integration. They heat up in as little as 60 seconds, and everything from the controls to the design of the steam head feels polished and high-end. So what are the pros? First, the warm-up time is lightning fast. Seriously, it's one of the fastest in the industry. Second, The design is incredibly sleek. Both the control panels and the hardware come in various finishes that match other Kohler fixtures. And third, it integrates seamlessly with the Kohler Connect to TMS app, giving you remote control and usage alerts from your phone. However, the premium experience comes with a premium price. Kohler systems tend to be expensive, and in some cases you'll need to hire a Kohler certified installer to maintain your warranty. Also, they offer fewer generator size options compared to some competitors. But if you're already building a designer smart bathroom and want a cohesive, high-tech solution, Kohler will not disappoint. Sliding into second place is the innovation powerhouse, ThermaSol. ThermaSol is all about automation and control. Their PRO and AF series units are built with smart steam, TM technology, voice assistant compatibility, built-in Wi-Fi, and a super sleek interface. They're a favorite for high-end custom homes and tech-savvy buyers. Let's talk strengths. First, ThermaSol offers unmatched automation. You can control everything from the temperature to the lighting and sound with your voice or phone. Their Smart Steam TM tech ensures consistent humidity and warmth throughout the session. And the 24/7 residential use warranty speaks volumes about how confident they are in their product. But a few things to note: ThermaSol generators are definitely at the top of the pricing spectrum. The controls and app have a learning curve, and installation can be a bit more complex than plug-and-play models. Still, if you're dreaming of a fully automated wellness sanctuary, ThermaSol is as cutting-edge as it gets. And finally, at number 1, we have the industry legend, Mr. Steam. Mr. Steam is the gold standard in steam showers, trusted in both homes and luxury spas worldwide. Their MSE series generators are known for whisper-quiet operation, rapid steam delivery, and unmatched customization through features like aromatherapy, chromotherapy, and music therapy. So what makes Mr. Steam truly special? First, it delivers spa-quality steam performance. Soft, consistent, and fast. Second, the wellness integrations are next level. You can literally tailor every session to your mood. And third, the auto flush feature keeps maintenance to a minimum, extending the lifespan of the unit. Now let's cover the trade-offs. Mr. Steam units are priced at a premium, and installation should be handled by a professional to avoid voiding the warranty. Also, while they do offer a mobile app, it's not quite as advanced as ThermaSol's digital interface. But if you're looking for the most balanced mix of performance, luxury, and reliability, Mr. Steam is hands down the top pick for 2025. So let's do a quick recap. At number 6, SteamSpa, a great entry-level option. Number 5, Amerec, simple and reliable. Number 4, Steamist, built for a sensory experience. Number 3, Kohler, smart, sleek, and fast. Number 2, ThermaSol, for those who want full control. And number 1, Mr. Steam, the gold standard in home spa systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint for more insights on steam showers and saunas. You'll find all the links to the featured brands and collections in the description below. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I'm John from Opulent Recreations, helping you build your own wellness sanctuary, one steam shower at a time.